Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create and connect to Kali Linux latest version, that is 2023.4 in Azure Cloud. Connect to Azure portal. See, I have already connected to Azure portal. In the search box, search for virtual machine. See, when you type virtual, it has populated virtual machines. Click on it. See here, at present I don't have any virtual machine. To create virtual machine, you have to click on this create button or click on this create, both are same. Then we have to select the virtual machine. Click on Azure virtual machine. The first step is basics, so project details. Here we have to select the subscription. I have only one subscription, select it. If you are on free trial, select it. Then resource group. If you want to create separate resource group for this virtual machine, click on create new. Otherwise, if you have an existing one, select from the list. Okay. Then provide the name for this virtual machine, KN 2023.4. Okay. Next, select the region. See, you can select any one of these regions, but it is recommended to select your local region, but it is not mandatory. So I'm going with US East. Cost is different for different regions. Okay, that keep in mind. Availability options, I'm going with availability zone, but we have different options. Then security type, I'm going with standard. Next, image. Image means like ISO. Okay, so click on this drop down. See, we are unable to find Kali Linux. So then see here, see all images. Click on it or click on see all images. See, if you are unable to find Kali Linux here, then go up, then in marketplace, search for Kali and hit enter. See here, we have the Kali Linux, but here we can find the version. If you click on select, you get the list of the available versions. Here it is not showing the version. Here it is showing essentials. So click on the select and select the version. So I'm going with Kali Linux 2023.4 Gen 2. Select it. See, it has selected. Now VM architecture, select the x64. Then size means the number of vCPUs and RAM. See, this is the recently used. If you want to change plan, click on see all sizes. See, we have different sizes. Suppose D series, we have different vCPUs and RAM. Okay, based on your requirement, select it. The charges are based on the option that we choose. So I'm going with this first one, that is one CPU and 3.5 gigabytes. Then click on select. Next, administrator account. Here authentication type, we have SSH public key and password. I'm going with password type, password authentication type. Then provide the username, demo user. Then provide the password for this user. Its length must be between 12 to 72 characters. And it must contain one lower case, one uppercase, and one number and one special character. Then select inbound ports. By default it has selected 22. Select both HTTP 80 and 443. Then click on disks or go up and select the disk. Both are same. See, by default the image has taken 40 gigabytes. If you want to change, you have to click on drop down and you have to select. Based on the size, the charges will be changed. Next, this OS disk type. We have different types. I'm going with standard SSD. Then see the option delete with VM, which means if you delete the virtual machine, this OS disk also will be removed. If you want to create another disk, you have to click on this one. If you have an existing disk, you have to click on this attach existing disk. Otherwise, click on networking. See, this is the virtual network name and this is the subnet range and this is the public IP. If you want to create new, you have to click on create new. Network security group, I'm going with basic. Again, if you want to check or uncheck these ports, you have to check here also. Then scroll down. Next, click on next, that is management. I'm not going to change anything. Click on monitoring. Here also I'm not going to change anything. Click on next. Here if you want to provide any custom information, here you provide it. Then click on tags. If you want to provide tag name and values, you can provide here. This is optional. Okay, then click on review and create. See here, this standard, it is charging almost 6 rupees per hour, and this is the virtual machine information. If you want to modify anyone, you have to click on previous and you have to come forward, or just click on any one of these tabs and go there and modify. I'm okay with all the settings, then click on create. See, your deployment is complete, which means it has created the Kali Linux virtual machine. Click on this notification. Also here, deployment is succeeded. Close this one. Now click on go to resource, or if you want to create another VM, you have to click on this one. Go to resource. See, this is the overview of the virtual machine. Still the information is loading. Go to home, virtual machines. See, we have one virtual machine. Before we don't have any virtual machine. Click on it. Hide this one. We are in overview tab. See, operating system of type Linux and its Kali Linux 2023 distribution. This is the size information. This is the public IP, and this is the virtual network, and this is the DNS name. We haven't configured DNS. Okay, and this is the status of virtual machine, region, subscription type, and others. Okay, here we have the virtual machine information, networking information, and size and disk information, and also we have other information. Also see here the note in the top. If you want to restart, you have to click on this. If you want to restart this machine, you have to click on restart. Or if you want to stop, click on stop. If you want to delete, you have to click on this delete. If you want to refresh, you have to click on this refresh button. Now we will see how to connect to Kali Linux. Click on connect, then connect, or simply copy this public IP, then open PuTTY. If you want to install PuTTY, then install it. It is free of cost. So click on PuTTY, provide the public IP. This is the public IP I have pasted, and port is 22. Then click on open. Then click on accept. Here provide the username. If you don't know username, then go to this connect. See here, username is demo user. Okay, then hit enter and provide the password of this user that we have given. See, we have successfully connected is Kali. Okay, let us verify the host name. Host name. See, host name is Kali, and verify whether this is Kali Linux or not. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Kali Linux and its version is 2023.4. Okay, if you want to disconnect or exit from this Kali Linux, just give exit. Now, if you want to, now go to virtual machines, select the virtual machine. As I told earlier, if you want to restart, you have to click on this restart. If you want to stop, you have to stop. If you want to delete, you have to click on delete. If you are not using Kali Linux at this moment, you have to click on stop. If you are not going to use this permanently, click on delete. Why? Because Azure will pay based on the usage. So I have created this is for demo purpose. So I'm deleting it. Click on delete, then click on force, then type delete. See, it is asking us to delete for confirmation. Okay, click on delete. Again, it is asking for confirmation. Click on delete. So in this video, we have seen how to create and connect to Kali Linux 2023.4 virtual machine in Azure Cloud. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.